celery juice. This has been a big craze lately. I'm gonna be very frank with you. There are some benefits to celery juice, notably that you're just having some celery. But does celery juice actually help you burn fat? I'm gonna be fucking honest, Derek. I'm gonna tell you this straight from my heart. I've been trying to get rid of this stubborn belly fat. You know this fucking stubborn fat right beneath your belly button but several inches above your dick? Just that bit right here that just won't go away. Nothing worked. No matter how hard I fucking dieted, no matter how many carbs I cut, it was only once I started adding 27 gallons of celery juice to my fucking diet every day, that's when I noticed the fat brown cells and the white brown fat cells, there's some orange ones, they started micronizing inside my stubborn fat region areas, and that's what I mean. So celery juice is actually the secret to fat loss, and particularly stubborn fat loss. And again, before someone comes in saying, celery juice healed me, celery juice is amazing. First of all, celery juice did not fucking heal you at all, okay? That's important just to know. It didn't heal you, it's fucking celery juice. That's number one. Number two is, you can include celery juice in your diet if you want to. I wouldn't say not to. It's not the magic pill. It's not the ultimate end all be all of fat loss or health in any way, shape, or form.